Mastering English, conquering the world of these. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting video on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into the world of demonstrative determiners, focusing particularly on the usage of these. By the end of this video, you'll become a pro at using these to refer to multiple things close in distance. So, are you ready to master this part of English grammar? Let's get started. Before we move on to its usage, let's clarify what these means. It is a demonstrative determiner in English that we use to refer to plural nouns that are close to the speaker in distance or time. It's similar to saying this, but for more than one item. When we talk about something physically close to us, we can use these. For example, if you are standing in a shoe shop surrounded by shoes, you can say, "These shoes are very fashionable." Here, these is used to refer to multiple things, shoes, that are close to you in distance. These is not just used to refer to physical objects. We can use it in a conversation to refer to ideas or situations that have been recently mentioned or are currently being discussed. For example, in a meeting discussing ideas, you could say, "These suggestions are great. Let's implement them right away." These can also be used to refer to a specific period of time that is current or recent. For instance, when you are discussing events happening in the present or the recent past, you might say, "These days, it seems like everyone is learning a new language." And that's a wrap. By now, you should be more comfortable with using these to refer to multiple things close in distance, whether physically, conversationally, or temporally. Keep practicing your new skills in daily conversations and written work. Remember, the best way to master a language is through consistent practice. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!